To hide siren sound notification content on your lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Under emergency section, tap siren. While the alert for siren notification is set to alert, tap lock screen and then select hide content. By doing this, when sound notification feature is on and it detects siren sound, your phone will just show a notification on your lock screen to tell you that you have the notification from the sound notification. If you want to know the detail of it, you need to unlock your phone first. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.